And I'm launching a tool that we use that's called Lefebure NTRIP Client. And so what I'm going to do here real fast is just role play by bringing up Google Map and roll over to Montana here. All right. And if you were operating, I'm just role playing here, out of here in Powderville, for example, right? And I get a position there at 4563-105. I could come into my Lefebure app here. And so I'm trying to show you a couple of reasons why you use this application. When people call in and say, hey, I'm trying to get on the WSRN, or I'm trying to get on the turn, or I'm trying to get on the MTSRN, and it's not working, the fastest way I verify if things are working is I use my Lefebure NTRIP client, and under edit here, I'm going to plug in that I'm using NTRIP. And then remember, I got to plug in that address 3.23.213.134. It's on 2101. I've got to plug in the username. And then I've got to plug in the password. And then I've got to plug in that position because I'm actually mocking my position. So why that's important in any network, if I geolocate myself there and drop a pin, if I don't get hot here with my emulator, that means I'm out of the network. So I'm going to prove that real fast by actually using a position here out clear here in Wyoming, okay? So I'll pick that position at 44 minus 105. So if I plug in 4452 and then minus 105.16, and I know I'm outside the network here, right? If I come in here and hit download a source table, it pulled a source table from my credentials. See? Now, for kicks, I'm going to try to pull in from SCMT because that's the closest network, right? SCMT. So if I came up here to SCMT, I didn't see it up top there. SCMT VRS right there, and try to get hot. Well, usually it wouldn't go hot that far, right? It's because it's geofenced. So we'll look into that. But that when they're the network's kind of geofenced, and so it would know that you're outside the network, all right? But the main reason why I'm showing you this is that obviously I could pick that I'm having issues, remember, in Bozeman. So back here to get my bearings here, sorry. I'm over here in Bozeman. I can drop a pin where I'm operating at, which is 45.111, and you can plug in that value, right, at 45.65, and then 111.008. And again, build my mounts, download a source table based on that. And then now I can check and see is, Southwest CMR working, RTCM working, or, MTSU, just find your mount. So, and hit it, right? So if I came down here to, I got to find the MTSU. CMRS right there and connect. I am verified, my credentials are working. I verified that MTSU is working. So I know there must be a problem on my survey style or my connection. Does that make sense? Hopefully that was very helpful. This is freeware. You would just Google NTRIP Client, and the first hit usually is that Lefebure.com right there, okay? Hopefully that was very helpful.